fertilizer with the helicopter right next to the farm. This was the bedding pack that we cleaned out, so we got it all bedded up now and the animals are back in here. So this is our dry cow bedding pack. So these animals all here are animals that are close to being freshened and ready to calve, and the ones over there are a little bit farther away. That's why they're in the bedding pack there. It's the next day down, so now we're gonna work on cleaning this bedding pack out. We got the 60/30 here in our medium size spreader. So this is the pen that we use for animal or heifers that are gonna freshen for the first time. We keep our dry cows that are gonna calve and our heifers that are younger separated for when they're gonna calve. We used to have them on the same bedding pack, but now we split them so that way it's a little bit nicer for the heifers so they're not getting bullied by animals that are bigger than them. We've been waiting to clean these bedding packs out till it got dry enough for us to do it, so now we're working on that because it's been pretty dry here the last little while. So Olivia's running the skid loader right now and Dad and I are running spreaders, so we're going to work on clean some of these pens out the next couple of days. Dad took a full load out of here. This is my second load. Obviously we just got all this cleaned up, so we're gonna work on cleaning out our calf farm. We have the individual calves stay. We have panels that we use for them to keep in their pens, so we're gonna clean some of those out. I'll show you when we get up there. This is our calf barn here, so instead of using calf hutches like we used to, we have individual like panels that you can make into a big line of pens like this. I always have like a rotation, so like these pens are empty and we're gonna clean the barn out. We're gonna wash the panels, and then all this will have animals in it. So we slowly work our way. So like the older ones are down here, then they work their way this way. They get younger and younger. So yeah. The reason we switched to these panels is they're a lot easier to work with. They're easier to clean and stuff, and they're a lot nicer inside the barn here instead of having a bunch of calf hutches that took up a little bit more space. So we like these, and this is kind of what we've been using for a while now here. Clean out some more bedding packs, so we're working on just about got this one empty here, and then we got work on cleaning out all these ones over here. So we're gonna work on that and run the same spreader as yesterday, and then we hooked up our big spreader to our packing tractors, so that way we can have the two bigger spreaders run. So we're gonna have those, keep going with those two spreaders, and hopefully we can get this done before it starts raining, because it's supposed to rain later today yet. We got the animals all bedded up again. What we ended up doing is just taking a few straw bales and we brought them in here and opened them up, so that way we can just use straw to bed these up. So that'll be all for this video, so thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Duke and I are working on cleaning out the pig pen. We got it all cleaned out here already, so we got some straw in there for them, and then we're working on how to make it so they don't take her feed tote for them all the way around the pen. So we're gonna try zip ties here, I guess Duke says. So we'll see how this works, and then we'll get them back in their pen. Duke's using everyone's favorite tying tool on the farm, or any farm really. Some baler twine here to tie our panels tight, so that way they won't be able to escape. Now that, because what we ended up doing here is up this whole bay here all the way out to like where the skid loader was full of bales. So now, like before, the pigs, if they did get out of our pen, they couldn't go anywhere because there were the bales here, so there wasn't anywhere for them to go. But now that these are out, they can basically get out and go all around the farm. So we're gonna make sure it's a little more secure this time.